Hello friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making superhero masks. To complete this craft you will need the mask templates, scissors, colored cardstock, markers, a hole punch, and elastic string. Here's what you'll do. First, cut out the mask templates. Next, trace the templates onto colored cardstock and then cut them out. Now for the fun part, decorate your mask using markers. Punch a hole on each side of the mask and add elastic string. Ta-da! Here are the finished superhero masks. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see you create. Bye!